reaction. We're back in the action, boys. Now for today's video, I'm really stoked because we actually have a three-parter, a 3-in-1 video, meaning this video could be 3 separate ones, but I didn't want to do that. Anyway, before we get started, man, y'all know the NameBran fam's real strong. I'd love you guys to give a thumbs up down below and spam comments. Honestly, it just helps us get searched up more, which means we get more money for videos. We can do crazier things than we already do. Getting into today's video, first part, we actually have a real merch unboxing from 6ix9ine. Now, this isn't something I just found online off some certain website trying to get money from his name. This is actually from 6ix9ine and his people, which I thought was really dope. It says Dummy Boy merch. And we have another merch unboxing, same sort of thing, from Little Pump. Now, Little Pump now has some sort of clothing brand or something. It's not even like Little Pump merch per se, but it's its own clothing brand. It's kind of weird, but I bought it, so we're gonna unbox those. And lastly, at the end of the video, we actually have a 6ix9ine mystery box that I unboxed as well. So pretty much we're dealing with 2 rappers today. One who's in jail, a felon and a complete idiot, and another one who's a complete idiot.
That's the new piece.
That's awesome. Anyway, first off the bat, I'm gonna get into 6ix9ine's. Now, I want to see, like, have you guys actually purchased his merch? I thought the Dummy Boy merch was actually kind of dope. I feel like I'm gonna be a little bit weird wearing it just because it's a little childish. I don't know if I really want to wear 6ix9ine stuff. I'm not really sure what my vibe is with that, but I bought it to show the boys. Oh yeah, I got 2 pieces. Oh yeah! I think it's the long sleeve, maybe. I'm not sure. Anyway, first up, this is the merch that they put out when he actually first got sentenced to jail. You guys know there was a release date for the album, and then they put it off a few days when he was in jail. Maybe they thought he was gonna get out. I don't really know how that works, but they ended up putting out merch too. Probably help fund his lawyers. So the first one we got, oh god, this is awful. What the f did I buy? So we got race car shit here, and then we got teeth. That's just awesome. The back's kind of dope, I guess. We have that right there. This is like the cover of his album. He's pissing out rainbows, which we can all probably relate to, for sure. 6ix9ine cartoon version on the back. I don't know why I bought it. I think it was probably pretty lit up, to be honest. I look like a fucking moron. Anyway, that's the first piece. Y'all know I like doing these rapper videos. I'm really into like this new wave of rap right now. I actually really do like 6ix9ine. I think he's absolutely hilarious. I do want to ask you guys, do you think he's smart in the way that he presents himself? Maybe not with all this illegal stuff, but I think honestly, in my opinion, he's like a genius when it comes to memeing. That's why I really respect the guy. He's like doing what I do, but on a much bigger level. So I just know there's some sort of stuff that goes behind that makes you smart. I don't know. Next up, oh yeah, we got a hoodie. What do I look like, an elf? Hell no, this is a large. It looks like a goddamn belly shirt. With, of course, the rainbow peeing on the back. That looks amazing, actually. That might have to be a thumbnail. That's dope. Anyway, that's 6ix9ine's merch. You guys let me know if you'd rock it or not. Y'all see it right here. I think it's goofy as hell. But we're actually gonna move on to Little Pumps now, which is a little bit more goofy. And here's how he advertises it on his story.
Whoa, smoking on dope. Damn, you call me, cut my eye real low.
Yeah, 6-song bad merch. What the hell did I purchase, man? I actually forgot what that looked like. Ah! Oh god, I got a lot of it. So this has to be the stupidest merch. What did I buy I've ever seen? I think his brand's called Happy or something. No, Unhappy. Great. Now this, I guess, is Little Pump merch. Also his clothing brand, something like that. I got a pink shirt. I'm not sure why. What the hell is going on here? First thing we got from Little Pump. Let me know if you guys like these videos. I'm really curious to see when rappers are actually putting out their own merch, what it would look like. Especially these guys that act hard, that have lots of money. I can't believe that you're gonna make me wear something that looks like this. Is my first reaction. I say you add maybe like a girl with some boobies on this, and that would be amazing. That would be an awesome shirt. But we have that. That's that one thing from Little Pump. I think I spent like $300 on this order too, because it was from the States. I was shipped to Canada. I'm unhappy with this. Alright, next up we have the Unhappy shirt, which is the Walmart Happy Face Dead. I just feel like I look like some sort of emo kid that's like clearly trying to state I'm not stoked about life right now. So I'm gonna buy a lot of expensive shirts so you know it, because I'm an asshole. And it says Unhappy at the back. This is and horrible merch. I thought this was bad. No, I don't know what's going on with the checker print, bro, but apparently it's a big thing since never, I don't think. Especially when you have goddamn lips on it. What the f is this? It says a sked, which I don't want on my shirt ever. I feel like I had a bit to unbox these. Like I feel like when I bought these, there was supposed to be a bit attached, and then I just unboxed it seriously. Now I'm kind of regretting it. And last up for the Little Pump merch, thank God. Oh boy, I can't even imagine what this looks like. Usually, like with rapper merch, it takes a long time to ship, so I don't really remember ever what it looks like. But this next one has some sort of oh god damn. I feel like a right now. Like, bro, Lil Pump's be flexing all this cool stuff, and then he puts out this that just makes every fan look like an idiot. I'm such a freaking hoe. I love it. I said freaking because I know there's gonna be a lot of bleeps in here because I'm pissed off, to be honest. Like, literally just give me that. Just give me that big booty baby on the shirt and I'd wear that more. So this is great. Thank you so much, Lil Pump, for making us all look like p***s. Let me know what you guys think about that. That should have been cooler stuff than what it was. But once again, if you guys like this rapper merch video, I'm interested in it a lot. So you guys let me know what you think about those, especially the two individuals in their music. What is your favorite one in between Lil Pump and 6ix9ine? For me personally, it's 6ix9ine. I like his antics, and I think that hardcore rap's dope. Also, I do hope he gets out of jail. I know he's an idiot. I know he probably deserves to be there with all the bad things he's done. It sucks to say that because I feel like jail sucks. But if you're gonna be dumb like that and put people's lives in jeopardy, you might deserve it. Anyway, honestly, hope he gets it soon, just so I can be entertained on the ground a little more. Next up, boys, let's go on to the mystery box of 6ix9ine we got. Alright, boys, last up, the part that we've all been waiting for, or at least the part I've been waiting for the most, is the 6ix9ine mystery box. Now, this is a $50 mystery box. I'm gonna give you a little bit of background on it because I didn't necessarily get it as a mystery box. Well, I did. Here, let me explain. So, as you guys know, I do a lot of shopping online for these videos. I try to find me some really dope gear always. Now, I found this website that sells rapper jewelry, and it's categorized under like 6ix9ine jewelry, and then XXXTentacion jewelry. They get Little Pump stuff, etc. Now, what I did is I actually went on that website and I hit them up and I said, I really want to do a mystery box video that's $50. Can you take, under the category of 6ix9ine, can you take 6ix9ine and give me a $50 mystery box? Don't tell me what you're giving me, but just load it up with whatever you want. And they did that, which is really dope. Ended up paying 50 bucks, maybe a little bit more for shipping, not too sure. But without further ado, this is what we have right now. Now, I'd give you guys the website down below. However, my manager is giving me a really hard time of like, I should be charging for stuff like this, especially if I'm not getting it for free. Once you have enough views on YouTube, you gotta start making money. So I'm not gonna give you that website. Also, it's not like you can buy this mystery box for yourself. I don't know why you'd want to when you can just pick out your pieces. But that's what it is, and here's the package, which could be kind of dope. We'll see. Which also, may I point out, rhymes with p***. Oh god, that might have stabbed through everything. Alright, boys. So, we have, okay, we got a couple things in here. One's got a fancy little box with their name on it. I'm gonna just open it up right now. It's got tape on it. Ugh. Okay, alright, so this is 6ix9ine for sure. I think I've owned something like this in the past. Honestly, it looks a little bit better, but we have the 6ix9ine grills, which is just, I guess, kind of cool if you can't afford the real ones and you want to have rainbow teeth. I'm not gonna lie, I think if I remember their website correct, these were like 10 bucks or maybe a little bit more, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, now I look like a rainbow-headed retard. So that's the first thing we got in the box. Now with these generally, I guess you have like silicone things that you put in hot water and then you mold it to your teeth, or then you put it in here and then you mold it to your teeth so you can actually wear them that way. Kind of dope so far. I don't know what you guys think about grills. If I'm gonna, I don't think I'd ever wear grills. Maybe I would. Maybe I definitely would actually if I could flex like that for show. And last up, boy, oh, I got diamonds. So this is, I think, called a tennis chain. And I don't even know, I'm sure he rocks that for sure, actually. Most rappers have these. Now these, if they're real, go for like 25 grand-ish. They could go up a little bit lower, I'm not sure, depending on the type of diamond you have. As you can see, they're not horrible quality. And if I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I think these were also quite cheap on the website. So I might have gotten scammed a little bit, which is so great. You know what? Diamond test, actually. We should do a diamond test. We all know diamonds don't break, so let's do a little break test, shall we? Okay, well, there we go. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. We gotta work from the sponsors in a second, but I haven't seen any YouTubers do any, like, sort of merch unboxings from these guys, so I thought you guys might be keen to watching that if you guys have been looking at buying their merch or something like that. I thought it'd be kind of interesting. Like I say, I actually do think it's interesting what these guys are putting out under their own branding, and so far I'm definitely not too stoked about it. I definitely think they could do a little bit better, but hey, they're making bank off us regardless. Anyway, boys, as I said, a shout out from our sponsors. They make these videos possible. They fund these videos quite a bit, so I appreciate you guys at Rose Gold and Black, or as I like to call them, Rose Gold and Crack, because they put out dope items. Not really sure how that's, I don't really think that's probably how you're supposed to advertise a company, but they actually do. They just put out these watches right here, which I'm pretty into. There's a link down below, and there's a discount code if you click that link already applied onto the items you want. Even if you don't want to buy anything, click the link, go check it out. It helps the channel. The more clicks, the better. But they're putting out watches like this, which is really, really dope. I just got these in the mail actually for free, which is sick. This is like a multi unboxing video. I think I'm really killing it here. Then we got the black one as well. As you guys can tell, rose gold and black. They only put out black and rose gold. So if you guys want pink, F off, dude, because you're not gonna get it. You're only gonna get rose gold and black. Also, they got little cool bracelets like this. I got a little bracelet package right here. They got cool packaging always. Boom! And a bracelet right here with the rose gold and black. So if you guys want to go check them out, link down below. They help with the channel, so go support them as they support us. Appreciate you all for watching. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. Oh God. I almost died of a seizure or something. Something's going on in my stomach or in my heart. That could be heart palpitations. Appreciate y'all. Wow.